Super weather.
Welcome back to Midwest Access. I'm meteorologist Sarah Gannon. We continue to track the threat for a few more showers and thunderstorms later on tonight, even the threat for a few strong to severe storms. So on this first alert day heading into this evening, here's what we are keeping an eye on. We right now have a level 1 out of a level 5 severe threat for southeast Minnesota. Northeast Iowa, though, right now looking at the better chance of seeing severe activity with a level 2 out of a level 5 threat. And should we see those severe storms in the area here this evening, wind, hail, and maybe a couple tornadoes possible as well. So all hazards still in play here for us in the region this evening. So looking outside right now, future track radar, things are quiet, cloudy, so that may limit some of that severe potential for the area. We need that sunshine to help the atmosphere destabilize and become more, add more of that instability. So fuel for those thunderstorms. As we zoom further out, frontal boundary here will kind of be the main lifting force here for these thunderstorms. You can see that with that warm front there into Nebraska, Kansas, already seeing a lot of severe storms firing off in that direction, including a couple of tornado warnings at this point in time. So things really looking to see the worst of those storms to our southwest, but we'll expect to see those thunderstorms continuing to grow further north as the night continues. So looking at that severe storm outlook, you can see through portions of Nebraska, Kansas into the far south, far north corner there of Missouri. Level 4 out of a level 5 severe threat. So greater threat for severe activity in that level 3 and level 4 category. Closer to home here, you can see southeast Minnesota in that level 1 threat, northeast Iowa in that level 2 threat. And again, I think our severe threat may be a bit more conditional now here for this evening, but still not completely zero. So taking a look here at timing for this evening, you can see those thunderstorms again firing to our southwest. As we move into later this evening, we'll continue to see those storms start to grow, becoming closer to that I-35 region, I think closer to about 8 o'clock or so, heading into the Rochester region by about 9, 10 o'clock this evening. And ultimately, these thunderstorms continuing to progress through the region, exiting by about midnight, 1 a.m. So on the backside of that, we may see some additional shower and thunderstorm activity. Nothing severe, though, is expected as we head towards Tuesday morning. So if you're heading out the door bright and early tomorrow, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, some showers still lingering. So our severe threats have lowered in severity a bit, but main hazard will still remain wind, followed by some hail, maybe dime to quarter size. Tornadic threat is low, but not completely zero. So once we clear tomorrow, we'll see some drier conditions on the way for your Tuesday. Temperatures also taking a hit back to the 50s for those afternoon high temperatures. Looking at that 10-day forecast, no first alert days here in the next 7 to 10 days. Temperatures a bit cooler here for this week. Beautiful by this weekend, and temperatures rebounding next week.
Don't forget your umbrella.